Okay, so today I want to show you a quick little sound design technique that you can use. So I've got this gated pad here from the Trance gated JUP 8000V sound bank on the website. You can go check out if you want. Got this sound. And it's just playing like a pad sequence like this. Now, what I can do here is I can actually accentuate each of these individual hits by opening up the envelope so that right now it sounds like this. But if I open up this envelope, I get this nice little sort of like plucky hit at the start of each of these. So if we're right down here and we do it, we can push the envelope even more open. And we get this sort of nice sort of like extra pluck to the start of it. Now you can obviously have it down here. It depends on how you like it, but now I actually have the LFO running here as well, so the filter is already doing this. But you could actually go the other way. Let me just turn the LFO off for a second. So if we went, for example, and we did a slower attack time, now we get this sort of like... You get this kind of nice little sort of swell. You got to set the time right. Let me just have a little play around with it. Let's open up the filter so that we're hearing the other part of the gates after the initial attack time. I actually prefer it the other way around, getting the nice little pluck. But again, play around with it. It all depends on your how you set up your attack times and the length of your notes and stuff. So let's open up the decay a bit more and the sustain a little bit more as well on it. So yeah, play around with the envelope there. And again, if you don't want the envelope at all, you can just have it like this. Or you could even automate the envelope as well on an LFO, so it's closing and opening, so you're getting different degrees of how much it's opened up on each hit. That'll make it more interesting as well as you go along. Hopefully you enjoyed the tip. If you want any more help with your productions, be sure to head over to alanmorestudios.com and check out the tutorials. Cheers.